Okay, guys, absolute value equations and inequalities. This first one is the absolute value of y minus 2 equals 4. Now, guys, you'll remember that the absolute value of x is equal to 3. That means that whatever's inside here is 3 units from 0, because that's what absolute value means. So I know that x can be either positive 3 or negative 3. Both of those numbers are 3 units from 0. Now what I'm basically doing is I'm taking the stuff inside the absolute value and I'm writing two equations. X can equal 3 or x can equal negative 3. Because either one of those, when I plug them in, works. All right? I don't do anything different for this one. I'm going to separate it into two equations. Y minus 2 is equal to 4 and y minus 2 is equal to negative 4. Because if y minus 2 equals either of those, 4 or negative 4, then it's true. So let me solve it. Let's see what y can equal. I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and I'm going to get y is equal to 6. When I add 2 to both sides in this equation, I get y is equal to negative 2. So y can equal negative 2 or 6. Remember, I write my solutions in ascending order, smallest to largest. Okay? All right. Now, let's just see if that works. All right, I'm going to get rid of this over here. And then I'm going to plug it into what we've got there. The absolute value of 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So that's the absolute value of 4 is equal to 4. That's 4 equals 4. That's true. Now let's try this one. Negative 2 minus 2. The absolute value of that is equal to 4. All right, so now the absolute value of negative 4 is equal to 4. And that means 4 is equal to 4. That's true. Okay, so both of those work. So guys, when I'm doing equations, I have to write two of them. One for the positive and one for the negative. Now, inequalities is not going to be any different than that, except that I've got to flip the inequality, and I'll show you what I'm talking about on this next example. All right, good job, guys.